Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and we are going to do a video on the new P case from Hot Wheels. Actually, it's just going to show you the Super Treasure Hunt, the regular variant of the Super, and the regular Treasure Hunt, so you know what to look for in the P case. So, let's start out with the regular variant of the Super, which is this little guy here, the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510 or 510 Wagon. At first, I didn't think I was going to like this paint job, but it's really not that bad. It kind of grows on you after you have it for a while. The wheels I like in a way, only because it looks like a two-piece wheel, and it gives it kind of a rubber tire appeal to it. So the regular is actually pretty cool. And I've also heard people mentioning that there are smooth grills out there. As you can see, this is the textured mesh grill, but some people are claiming there are smooth ones. So be on the lookout for that. And I'm assuming if it's on the regular, it's definitely going to be on the Super also. And this paint color on this car almost looks like a pearl purple. Almost like it flip-flops a little bit. In some light, it looks like it has a blue hue to it in a way. So kind of cool looking paint job on this guy here. So that is your regular variant of, see how you can see on the back it looks blue, but this is your regular variant of the Super. And I was blessed by the Chase Treasure Hunt gods last Friday. I walked into Walmart and they had put out a fresh mini dump bin, I guess I would call them. They held like 4 cases. Well, in those 4 cases there were 3 regular Datsuns and 1 Super. And here is that Super. As you can see, it has that flamed logo underneath the car. A little hard to see, but you can see the very bottom of the radius there. Okay, and what's cool about this one, the 4 spokes, it has a pink rim on it, which is very cool. I do dig that a lot. And as you can see, this is a mesh grill Super and such. And then you can see on the paint job, it has the TH there above the heart. And then we can look at the differences, since we have them here, on the cars and the card art itself. So this also has solid heart under the TH, where this one has a striped heart. And the other stuff here is pretty much the same. Now, usually on the Supers, they have like top tampos, and the regulars wouldn't. Whereas this one, well, the regular has top tampos, and so does the Super. The only difference is the heart on the roof. The roof of the regular is striped, and the one on the top of this one is solid, and it has a TH in it. So this one has 2 THs on it, which is kind of cool. I just now realized that. And such. So, now looking at the card art too. I know a lot of people say, can you tell by the packages? Because some people do find Supers occasionally in regular packages. As you can see, the color of the car is totally different, and even the picture of the heart is there. Striped heart on the regular, solid heart on the Super, and the TH above the heart on the card art, whereas that one does not have it. Even the wheels are different. You can see that these are the ones with the big white lip. These are the fully white 4-spoke with a chrome trim ring. So there are some differences on the cards too. So I just wanted to show that to you. Now, moving along to your regular Hunt, which is cool for me because it is a Mopar. And this is your Coast Patrol 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. And it's pretty cool. At least a lot of the regular Hunts this year are actual cars, or not these fantasy cars. I know these are kids' toys and such and blah, blah, blah. But still, yet, even kids like real cars in some cases. But some of the fantasy cars are cool. But you can see here it has the Flame logo under it, and it has the thing that blah blah blah. This is a treasure hunt, collectible vehicle, blah 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 blah. And then it has the Flame logo there on the back. But yeah, the past few have been like trucks. You had the Land Cruiser that accompanied the Supra and the J case, which is actually a pretty cool one. The 5-spoke that they use is actually a nice looking wheel. Then they had the Jeep Grand Cherokee as one of the treasure hunts, and then they had, I think the last one before the Datsun, the Porsche, the regular treasure hunt was the tuned Golf, VW Golf, I think. So they've been doing real cars, although the tuned Golf really isn't a real car. It's a fantasy car based on a real car. So you get what I mean, though. The treasure hunts this year are a little bit better than what they have been. And another thing I've heard, now this is just rumored, but a couple guys posted on IG some pictures, and it looks legit, but anybody can make anything look legit. In these P cases, they've been finding the regular Datsun and the in-case Super, because in the P case now, you will find 2 of the 935 Porsches. And some guys are claiming that they found one of those Porsches were a Super. One guy claimed to have found 5 in his dump bin. So keep an eye out. Look at those Porsches when you're cracking these P cases. And it could have just been a very rare error from the factory, or it may have been a lot of them got out that way. So just check it out. Check your 2 Porsches that come in the P case to see if they're a Super or not. But this should be your Super for the P case. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching. We'll be back again tomorrow because we are going to do a Super Silhouette Sunday, because we have a LBWK R35 from Mini GT to unbox for you guys. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. So be sure to tune back in for that. Enjoy your Saturday.